Today, I want to talk about a feature on your phone that seems useful but could be working against you behind the scenes. It eats up your better, faster, clog up background activities and quickly gathers your private info. Let me walk you through it. Have you ever noticed this on your phone before? Let me know in the comment. Alright, let's get started. Go to your phone main settings, scroll down to Google section. Then select all services from the top. Enter here, then scroll down a bit and go to the location accuracy settings. Yes, right here. Let me explain what this feature is for. Location accuracy is a settings that allows your smartphone to use additional data sources such as GPS, Wi-Fi, and cellular network to determine your PC's location. This is necessary for apps like maps and navigation to display accurate data about your current location. However, if this feature is constantly enabled, there are risks. More location data being processed in the background increases battery consumption, can slow down your device and reduce your privacy. Since all your location data can be collected and used by third-party services, I recommended everyone go into the settings and disable turn off this feature. Even if the location option is turned off from your notification panel, these location accuracy settings might still be enabled and continue running background activities. So, turn off these settings. I would like to draw your attention to this note. Look, if location accuracy is off, no location accuracy data will be collected. It says here that if the feature is completely disabled, data is not collected, but if it is enabled, data is collected. But despite this note on a yellow background, it doesn't seem effective. It really seems like it just for show. This note, if this feature is enabled, data is still being collected anyway. Therefore, in any case, go there and turn off these settings. Now let me tell you in which case these settings might be enabled automatically. When you turn on location, an additional option might appear asking to permission to access these settings. If you grant permission, GPS navigation work more accurately, which is a good thing. But once you are done using it, don't forget to turn off location from the notification panel. Then go into settings and separately disable the location accuracy settings as well. This is necessary to ensure that location tracking is completely turned off and does not collect any of your personal data, as it poses a risk to your privacy. Did you know about these settings in such detail? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.